MC4 Business Marketing. Materials: MC Cashbox, MC Changebox. Procedure: you are going to count out the following amounts of change using coins in the MC Cashbox. Use pennies, nickels, dimes, quarters, and half dollars to count out the amounts of change. Use a half dollar, 50-cent piece with any of the problems that have a small star sign beside the number of coins. Place the change in the correct slot of the MC change box. Remember to use the correct number of coins. 1. 57 cents with 5 coins. 2. 80 cents with 3 coins including 50 cents. 3. 44 cents with 7 coins. 4. 53 cents with 4 coins including 50 cents. 5. 49 cents with 7 coins. 6. 66 cents with 5 coins. 7. 98 cents with 8 coins. 8. 87 cents with 5 coins including 50 cents.